Hello, power users. So today we have to talk about Power Automate desktop language because this is an issue which occurred to many of you, and we will talk about how to change the Power Automate language and how you cannot change the Power Automate language as well. Okay, so let's get going. Here I am in Power Automate desktop, as you can see it probably. And if I go to the settings, I have the general setting and data collection setting, which cannot and won't give me any kind of language setting possible change, right? You cannot change the language here. And this was kind of confusing to all of you if you are starting to work with the Power Automate, or so searching and help won't get you the answer. So actually what you can do, you can only change the Power Automate language if it's same as your Windows preferred language. So to do this, you have to go to the settings, open this, you go to the time and language, and you go to the language section. And in the language section, you have preferred language and Windows display language. So what is Power Automate desktop taking is the first language in the preferred language. So if you do not have the English here, and I believe all of you should work if you already know this language in the English language, because all the help and all the info is in the English language. So you will have to change this and move it up or down, so the English will be the top one of your languages instead of your native language. For example, for me, the Polish is the second language. If you don't want to use it in your Windows, then, well, you have a problem for now. This is yet not changeable by Microsoft. If you want this kind of feature, you can propose this change to Microsoft on the desired changes page, which I think it should have. And this may be also an issue if you are changing your computer, if you are using a virtual machine, or you are distributing your flow to other users, because sometimes when they click on an icon or they click on something in your flows, this icon or this text box, etc., will be named in your native language instead of the English one. So this is something which you have to worry about when spreading the flows to other users. Okay, so I hope this was helpful, and if it was, you can give me like, sub, etc. I'm having a lot of other Power Platform, Power Automate videos on my YouTube channel, so hope you find some knowledge there. And Zbigniew Lukowski out. See you.